All right, we're going to go over the word problem for today. I'm going to read it. Y'all want to read it with me, please? We're going to start on the count of 3. You ready? 1, 2, 3.
There are 24 children at John's birthday. If John gives each child 6 pieces of candy, how many does each child get?
Okay, so just stop right there for a minute. And the problem says there are 24 children at John's party. If John gives each child 6 pieces of candy, how many does each child get? Okay, so just think about what you have. How many students are at John's party?
24.
Okay, so make sure you put that on your little dry erase board. Take the caps off and put 24. Because we know that much. What does the word problem show us? It shows us that we have how many children at the party? 24. Okay. And how many pieces of candy does John decide to give each child? 6. So you need to put 24 children, and each child get how many pieces? 6 pieces. Now that we know what John wants to do, so what does John want to do?
Give them 6 pieces of candy.
How many is it? How many students is it? 24. Okay? So then this is the part that we always have trouble. We always try to figure out a way, what operation to use. So then on your paper, just like we did before, we know that John has 24 children and he wants to give each of them 6 pieces of candy. Illustrate that on your whiteboards for me. Illustrate that on your whiteboard. And I want you to think about what operation you use to solve it and why that's the best operation for you. Because some of you might come up with some very different operations. All right. Tell me what you did here. Now tell me the problem again. Read the problem to me. It's on the board up there.
There was 24 children at John's party. If John give each children 6 pieces of candy, how many does each children get?
Do you say children up there or each child?
Child.
Okay. So tell me, how did you initially try to solve it? Because I see this down at the bottom. What were you trying to do right there?
Put 6 circles and put 24 in and count it all together.
And how long do you think it was going to take you to do that?
A while.
A while. So is that why you stopped?
Yeah.
So then what you do? What did you do up here?
I multiplied 24 times 6.
Times 6. And what did you come up with?
144.
Okay. So tell me why it's best to analyze a problem, look for, ask yourself what the author is asking you to do. So you knew it was 24 kids at the party, and John wanted them to have 6 pieces of candy each. And I know that this is a skill that we used to use a lot, especially used to use that a lot in 3rd grade, right? Okay. So now that you're in the 4th grade, how is this addition kind of like that multiplication?
So when you count all of them, you get the same number?
Yeah, you do get the same number. Now, did you notice some key words in the word problem that help you solve it?
Each, how many?
Yeah, each and how many. Okay. So how do you think you'll be solving word problems from now on? What do you think you're going to do differently?
Multiply.
Multiply? You think you're going to multiply with all of them?
Or do array.
Or do array? Okay, so what about division? You think you have to do division with any of them?
Yes, ma'am.
So then how are you going to determine what operation to choose? How are you going to do that?
When it's multiplied, it's say each and how many more.
So are you going to look for keywords the next time?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, then. All right. Thank you.